So what Jimmy's doing is he's digging out the roots of this tree, this poor tree that's been selected, this fir tree that's been selected to be cut down for milling. Is that what you call collateral damage? Oh, he's trying to push it over?
Probably not in a great place.
Let me get out there. Yeah, don't leave it here.
Grab your cooler.
Go back to
Watch, Graham's gonna pull up in a
we
rondo.
gotta make sure that she was walking. It might come this way. I know, that's what. Yeah, you there.
Is she walking that way?
I'm going. Once he starts,
Oh, we should go warn her.
Yeah, he's coming that way.
if he starts to do it, I'm out of here.
Oh yeah, we should tell Grammy to stop walking.
That's not a good thing. Oh, good Lord.
Fast break.
Yeah, you should call Grammy and say to stop walking.
I thought he was going to cut it down. I didn't know he was pushing it down. Ah. Poor other tree. Oh, he's going to push it into the woods? Oh, good Lord. Hopefully there's no little eagle's nest up there or something. This is quite a sight. Got stuck on another tree.
Did it run down there?
Man, it's twisting that cedar. It still come this way.
Is he trying to make it fall out of it?
Yeah. Trying to get it out of that cedar. Sucker.
That's what I was thinking.
What?
Fall on him. I mean, because if it comes this way... Yeah, it's twisting this way, too.
It's gonna come down. His cat.
There he goes.
Just can't get it to go on the other side of that cedar. It keeps coming on this side. Okay.
Wow.
That's a big mother.
Woohoo!